Alright, now the Acoustic 833 is wrapped up. Voltages are fixed. It's nice. Big bass, big high. Dark dull mids. And mega freaking distortion. Beautiful. I'm not sure what year that is. I wanted to say it's like a 75 or 76 or something. Way back when. It's been sitting in my junk pile for quite some time. Thanks to Max. He gave me this old thing when I got gypped on a old Acoustic 270. I bought it used for parts, not working on eBay. I won the bid at like 60 bucks. I guess it pissed the guy off, so he yanked the power transformer out of it and sent me the amp. Freaking asshole. But, as always, friends are awesome. So now, after like 5 years, I've pulled this out and rebuilt the entire board, put a transformer in it. The board had been pillaged and taken apart. And I like pulled a whole bunch of parts off of it and used them like for quick fixes on other acoustics. It's got a new Antec toroid power transformer. New caps, had to custom mount those. Blah de blue de blue. Oh yeah, and then the I got to finish up the little preamp and EQ build I stuck in there. It's kind of point to point. Ordered some better pots for it to throw those in, some CTS, because these alphas just really, the people hate to hear it, but they suck. I don't like them. Not an amp. The pedal are okay, I guess. I mean, that doesn't really make sense either. Just fuck them. It's an amp. I want some big 16 millimeter or 24 millimeter CTS pots in there. I'm gonna shut up. See you guys.